Hey, it's Elizabeth from Mr. Sizemore's English 1302 class online, and for this video I'll be talking about chapter 24, which is sound, rhyme, and rhythm, and those go from pages 782 to 829. On the introduction page on 783 it says, the way the sounds of language work together with rhyme and rhythm can dramatically affect the way we experience a poem. Although the language of poetry is sometimes difficult to understand, remember what you already know. All speech is sound. Every day we talk, that's just sound. Okay, so I'll be talking about onomatopoeia today, and that's under the sound paragraph. An onomatopoeia is the definition of onomatopoeia is a use of words that imitate the sounds they refer to. So on page 790, the poem Digging, it says on line 3 and 4, under my window a clean rasping sound when the spade sinks into gravelly ground. And then couple lines later it says stooping in rhythm through potato drills where he was digging. That just kind of describes the way it sounds while they're digging. And that's all I have to say for this video. So, bye.